Yeah, so the first thing I did, I put coppered pearlized paint, Createx paint, airbrushing paint onto these biker jeans. And so far it's like glittery. Like I noticed that when you spray it, it has like a glittery reaction to it. And right here I'm putting some black, some opaque black onto the top of the jeans just to restore them and make the black look more refurbished and more revamped. So as you can see right here, I'm going over through the waistline with black just to restore it, just so I won't leave anything out. I'm trying to make this whole pair of jeans look brand new because they were faded and they were black. They were black faded. They were starting to look dull at first, and I felt like with this opaque black, it brought them back to life. As you can see right here, like the creases and stuff, it soaks right in. Right here I'm putting on some more black ink into that bottle to spray, because with the airbrushes, the more power you use, it's like it goes fast. So I try to dilute it with water too, but yeah, I'm starting to like freaking I'm really liking the fact that I could take a pair of old jeans and bring them to life just by putting paint on them and making them look better too. Actually, it's amazing. I'm really starting to like this. Look at all that black ink just soaking in that clothes, denim. Them jeans are about to be looking crazy, soaking in all that black, making it all brand new. Sometimes you gotta put a few different layers and coats. As you can see right here, I just put some right through that zipper line. Sometimes you need 2 coats, like I said, just to make it more darker. Or if you want them real black, you dilute it less. Don't put too much water or mix it. Try to use more paint. Right here I'm folding it, creasing it, just so I can make a design, but it took me a few tries. This one I didn't really like the way it was folded, so I just tried it again. I had to try it again and fold it up differently this time. See if I could make different designs. And I felt like this folded up style looked it better with what I was trying to go for. You see the way that glitter just sparkles? It sparkles into the clothing and like it soaks right in there. Look at that. Nice. This shit is really crazy. Like, you can actually take anything that you don't need no more or don't like. Sometimes you ain't gotta throw shit away. Sometimes you could just like make it better and just make it new again. Revamp that shit.
Heavy.
What's the point of buying a whole new set of jeans when you can like change the way they look? When you can add to them and customize them. Change it a different color. Even if I don't like this gold right here, I could always turn it black if I want. I have the ability to just change it. I could change it any color now. Right now, I'm just untangling it, touching up a few spots that I missed out on. Getting through the bottom zipper right now, making sure it's gold in the inside. when I got to this part of the jeans, I didn't really want it to be that gold. So I just hit it with a light layer of that pearlized copper. Right here you see I'm touching up the bottom pieces. Get around that ankle area. Because I want it to be more gold than actual black towards the bottom. Right here I'm just adding like a hard coat under there. Just to make it more gold. Make it shine while it's in the sun whenever I wear them outside. Hitting up the corner pieces right here. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody who took the time to listen, to watch this whole video through, and to actually be inspired. I really appreciate it all. Thank you. Subscribe.